Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of naturally aspirated engines. Ever wondered how they work and why some car enthusiasts swear by them? Let's explore. A naturally aspirated engine is an internal combustion engine that draws air into the combustion chamber purely through atmospheric pressure without any forced induction like turbochargers or superchargers. Here's how it works. Air enters the engine through the air filter and intake manifold. Atmospheric pressure pushes this air into the combustion chamber. In this chamber, air mixes with fuel in the right ratio. Thanks to the fuel injection system or carburetor, the air-fuel mixture is then compressed by the pistons and ignited by the spark plugs. This explosion drives the pistons down, turning the crankshaft and generating power. Finally, burned gases are expelled through the exhaust system. Now, let's talk about the advantages. Naturally aspirated engines are simpler and have fewer components, which often means lower maintenance and repair costs. They are also known for their reliability and more direct throttle response, offering a smoother, more predictable power delivery. And let's not forget the engine sound. Many driving enthusiasts love the pure, unadulterated roar of these engines. However, they do have their drawbacks. Naturally aspirated engines generally produce less power compared to turbocharged engines. They can also struggle at higher altitudes where atmospheric pressure is lower, leading to reduced performance. Plus, in some cases, they might not be as fuel efficient as their turbocharged counterparts, but naturally aspirated engines still hold a special place for their simplicity and engaging driving experience. In summary, naturally aspirated engines offer simplicity, reliability, and a unique driving experience even as technology evolves. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more automotive insights.